So, good morning, you lovely lot. Back at the RX-5 again, episode 22 or something like that. Getting a bit slower again now because it's just doing fiddly bits with the car as it is at the moment, which is there. So today's episode, or things I want to get done today, or at least try to, which I'll cover in a sec. Front bumper needs to get on. Need to sort the front bumper out, get that on. What else? Clean up a lot of the engine bay. The alternator, I need to notch that little bracket there and push the alternator out a bit because it is a bit slack on the belt at the moment. What else? Yeah, brush all the torf off or hoover it at least or something like that. Clean up some of this wiring a bit more. Front bumper on, get them mounted up because I should be using that bolt hole, and then one's around the side here. I have gotten hold of because at the moment there's no headlights in there, but I've got the mounting frame as well as the actual, soon hopefully headlights for it. So yeah, headlights, I've just got to put them in. I've got the weird surround things, just need to get the actual headlight bulb unit. Front bumper on today, I need some wiring to tuck down each side of the wings, I need a tuck. What else? Then I need to sort out this rear bumper and get a number plate panel on and a number plate. Otherwise, then I could do a bit of road tuning, hopefully. So how that goes. What else am I going to say? Can't quite remember. Yes. So the little mini video, little vlog thingy, I was going to do it a whole weekend, but I haven't actually got much on today, so I thought I'd just leave it as a little vlog video of going out tuning my mate's G-Limit. That is pretty much what this could look like at some point, but it's going to be a lot of time and getting it looking that nice and clean, but that thing is gorgeous. I thought I'd just do a little video covering a bit of fun, a bit of tuning with him, that lovely car, and also testing out the new microphone, which I am very thoroughly impressed with. So these are going to be doing a lot of things with me. And it's nice and sunny as well, so I think it's time to crack on and make a start. I'm probably going to check the fluids, check the oil and radiator, do a little Instagram live, start up with the Instagram live, check stuff on the tune, and then crack on with sorting out the rear bumper and the front bumper and whatnot. Now I need to pull out a load of stuff from the garage and try and find my rear number plate panel or rear number plate itself. I've already found the front one, but yeah, so we'll see how we go today. I might do a few little time lapses and stuff, but we shall see. I made a mistake there. I didn't turn my microphone on. I'm going to have to get used to either keeping that on or turn it on and off. Fucking dogs are pissing me off. So, car. Get front bumper on. Get it on. Plug in the pop-ups. Make sure they work up and down. Then I need to sort out the headlights at some point with that. I'm not going to bother the rear bumper yet. I just want to get the front on there so it's a little bit more sensible when driving up and down the road. Do a bit of a testing of the new fuel table that I've made adjustments for. Hopefully it runs a bit better. So what I'll do is I'll mount up the GoPro on the back, again like I did before, but then I will have the iPhone facing upwards with the microphone. I'll try and stick the microphone somewhere so we get either good intake noise or something or other. I don't know yet. We shall see. Okay, so just finished up the questionnaire time, which is a nice little Instagram post, something a little bit different. I'm quite actually, for a first time try, quite happy how that came out. So yeah, just chuck this back now. GoPro's back on the boot now. Come on, microphone clip on. Yeah, GoPro's back on the boot. New battery in the boot as well after it was stolen. Absolute wankers. So I'm going to start up in a sec. The idle should be a little bit higher than normal because I've adjusted that. What else? Oh, and it's been tightened up. I realised I didn't tighten up this engine mount down here, this side. So actually I lost the engine mount bushing, but that's nice and tight. That's all nice and tight as well. So what's left? I think that's it. Oil's good, cool's good, front bumper's on now. So start, get running, make some adjustments and just go for a little drive up and around the road, which to start up the rotary void again. Oh, Jesus, almost dropped the phone. Okay, yeah. That door, annoyingly, has dropped a bit, but it is what it is. Not an issue. So let's get this connected up. There we go. Then what I'm going to do is connect to ECU, and lovely jubbly. So that is now on. Come on, just connect. Roughly, if the fuel level sensor's working or not. I know fuel pump is though. So I did make a change to the fueling table, which, if I recall, should be somewhere. Not that. RX-5 latest. There we go. I made some adjustments to the fueling table. And what I do is see. Let's go minus 12. Hopefully that should wrap away quite nicely. Just make some other changes because I've increased the idle, so I'm expecting it to idle just a little bit higher, which hopefully it will do. Cool. I think my GoPro just fell off, but I'm going to start this up and yep, out I get it. Get it started up first. Come on. Okay, so hopefully we'll leave that be for a bit. I dropped the GoPro. That's sounding good. Lovely. Sweet. Cool, now I need to try and get this GoPro mounted up, so I'll be back in a sec. Okay, let's go for it. I've made some slight adjustments to idle again. Let's try again. Idle's still too high, so I'm still trying to get the idle correct to how I like it without getting the EGTs to climb, which is not easy. Okay, so the EGT is now sitting a nice 270 to 300 dependent. Now getting a nice brap as well on that. Lovely brap. So, after some troubleshooting, I worked out my fan stopped working, so it got pretty hot at one point. 100 something 5 coming out the engine, so I'm hoping it should be alright. I'm about to start up again and give it a try and see what happens. Hopefully it starts up fine. Oh, just trying to get my mic on. There we go, so hopefully it starts up just fine. We'll see how we go, we'll do a bit more tuning. Straight into the idle quite nicely. Good temp. EGTs are rising, hopefully that stabilises in a sec. EG seems pretty happy about that. So what I do is I'm going to just keep sitting on that, making sure that it sits at 200. I'm going to do some fiddling with the fan, the temp fan, then I'll go for a little drivey drive, I think. So .68, 65, 68, 65. There we go. Good EGTs, and it's wrapping nicely now. Sweet, let's go for a little drive. So what I'm going to do is have the... Oh, fucking hell. Oops, I left that going. Turn the GoPro on, hopefully we'll get some footage, and then what I'm going to do is just have my iPhone running in the car while I chat away. We'll see how this goes, I think. So some more progress made, another run. Temps got a little bit hot, then it struggled to start, so I think a bit more of a fueling issue on that car start, or that point. So we shall see after it got a bit hot and see what happens. Otherwise, another drive, a bit more successful. Not so much any more stuttering, but more just doesn't want to go because it's either too rich or too lean. So I've done some logs. Now I just need to sit down and work out what's what, and then go from there. It might be I need to rescale my fuel table a bit on the TPS on the low end, make it a bit more detailed for lower RPM driving. But there we go. So I think it's going to be quite a slow next few episodes until this is actually on the road driving, but I'm getting there slowly. Hopefully it sounded nice on the GoPro. Dad actually did a little film as well, so might put that in the video, might not, because the fact of it on private road where it's not actually private. No. Anyway, so I think I'm going to finish up the episode. So yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment. I'm almost to 1,000, which is amazing for all the support and everything. I'm getting there with that, and I really need to start sorting out the Patreon as well, and making a start on that. But I think I might hold off on that and then do that at 1,000 subs. But yeah, hopefully everyone has a great weekend, and till next time.